I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. So first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Sometimes it'll show up straight away, just at the bottom here, but we'll go to phone, click phone. You've got dial number, redial, phone, call history. Don't want any of those, so just down, Bluetooth devices, and then there's an arrow pointing this way, so click that arrow, BT devices, Galaxy, Xperia, those are previous phones, but you've got here add, delete, connect and master, so that corresponds to those little instructions there. So we want to add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So there you go, it's brought up sync already. It's showing a number there. We'll just
confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, yes, it 351231, so we'll click pair there, and does it match on here? Click yes there. Sync connected. Do I want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will. And
for your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.